In the category Excellence in the Maintenance and Management of Assets, including routine maintenance projects, a highly commended award goes to SouthRoads, NZTA, Southland Network Outcomes Contract. SouthRoads is an Invercargill-based family construction and contracting business which is contracted to Waka Kotahi, New Zealand Transport Agency, for the maintenance and management of the Southland State Highway NOC. Throughout New Zealand, there are 21 NOC contracts delivering the service. SouthRoads are the only Tier 2 company contracted to Waka Kotahi. Since the award of this contract in 2016, SouthRoads has continued a journey of continual improvement, culminating in them being the #1 NOC in the country, achieving a perfect KRA score of 4 at the end of June 2021. Customer satisfaction ratings have increased from 52% to 81% for 2021, and it's evident that SouthRoads have fully embraced the NOC contract philosophy delivery and deservedly achieved the KRA score of #1 throughout the country. Congratulations.
Firstly, I'd like to thank one particular individual, Chris Evans, who's here tonight, who was the driving force behind SouthRoads putting our application in for this award. So thanks, Chris. Stand up. You should be proud of yourself. Just on behalf of SouthRoads and our little team down in Invercargill, it's just a real privilege to accept this merit award on behalf of our little team. We're a small but mighty team, so yeah, for all those little contractors out there, get into it. We can compete with the big boys. Thank you very much.